How to buy and purchase a game on your Steam account from your PC. If you use your laptop for doing this, you can simply purchase any of the game available on your Steam account. For this, simply open the Steam store in front of you and you will see a lot of game in front of you on the home screen. But what you have to do is simply just find the search bar and search for the game you want to really download on your PC, or select any of the game that you like. Scroll down and here you will see that there is an option of add to cart. You can simply add any of the game you like to the cart here, and then you can simply check out with paying with your debit, credit, or your UPI within your application. Click on view my card option and then simply succeed for the payout, and then click on the continue to payment option, and you need to pay that visible amount that you can see here. Continue to the payment and enter your debit or credit card information, that is be Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, or American Express. You can use any of the card here, enter all the details, and then simply continue, then authorize the transaction. Once the money is debited, you will be able to download the game just from the Steam application itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates like this. Keep watching, keep loving.